How did Adani become a billionaire and being the fourth richest person in the world? Let's see the growth of Adani. You know Gautam Adani is a college dropout. You might wonder any entrepreneur's default story is a dropout. He is an ambitious guy who aspired to achieve something incredible, being coming from a humble background and having 7 siblings. Started off with business, limited to export and import of agriculture commodities, and later it expanded to coal mining, power generation, ports, gas distribution, edible oil and transmission, and more other ventures. Do you know which helped Adani to improve his revenue and profit at the time of 1991? Yes, liberalization and economic reformation. In such a favorable business environment, he expanded his company rapidly. In the year 1995, Adani got and won the contract to run the Mundra port along with SEZ, which is India's largest private multi-porter operator even today. He established Power Business, which is the subsidiary of Adani Group, Adani Power. And today it is India's largest private power producer and solar power producer. And do you guys really want to know what worked for him? He got a special skill set or technique which is present within anyone, but very less people uses it. Yes, Adani does. He identifies opportunities and forward-looking skill set which contributed to his success a lot. When our Indian economy opened its door to globalization, he grabbed and utilized that opportunity very well and expanded his business still larger and captured new market. And now his group turned into a conglomerate. He was ranked 3rd most remarkable individual by India Today. Focus and determination can help a man change one's humble beginning to become one of the most successful industrialists of his generation. Impressing and thought-provoking, right? Comment below of what did you learn from his story. Stay notified for more data.